How to make Gerber daisies bloom more. Gerber daisies are popular flowers in the garden and in the bouquet. Their hues and symmetry make them ideal for wedding bouquets and flower arrangements. However, Gerber daisies are a little bit persnickety, and they do not always like to bloom in profusion or repeatedly. As a result, to get a full harvest of Gerber daisies or a beautiful live display, you may need to cater to your Gerber just a little to get your way. Things you will need: African violet fertilizer, pinking shears, spray bottle. Plant your Gerber daisies alone, or at least with plenty of space. Gerber daisies will wilt or produce less if they have to compete for soil, nutrients or water even a little. Make sure your Gerber daisies have plenty of room, and they will reward you with multiple blooms. Fertilize your Gerber daisies with African violet fertilizer. This fertilizer is ideal for Gerber daisies, even though it does not have their name on it. This fertilizer or any of the Miracle Grow compounds will help encourage your daisies to bloom repeatedly and often. Deadhead your Gerber daisies carefully. When the blooms die, immediately snip the dead flower off right above the first set of leaves. This will encourage the plant to replace the bloom quickly and may even result in more blooms coming in on the next round. Make sure your Gerber daisies are getting enough sunlight. These plants like full sun for at least part of the day. Their blooms need it in order not to droop, and they will produce more flowers if they get enough sunlight. Mist your Gerber daisy regularly. Most people know that Gerber daisies need moist soil, but they do not know that regular misting can help a Gerber daisy really thrive. Keep a squirt bottle handy and mist your plants at least once a day for a more vibrant and productive daisy.